Welcome to the Explainer. Today we're unlocking an absolutely brilliant mathematical cheat code. If you've ever found yourself totally bogged down trying to remember which numbers are prime, or, if you just genuinely love an elegant mental shortcut, you are in the exact right place. So let's just dive right into this trick because it's going to completely change how you view the numbers 1 through 100.
Be honest, can you memorize all 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100 instantly? Probably not, right? Usually when we're in the middle of calculating something, spotting prime numbers is a really frustrating, time-consuming process of trial and error. You're dividing by 3, by 7, basically crossing your fingers and hoping you haven't missed some hidden factor. It completely breaks your flow. But what if you didn't have to calculate them at all? What if you could just confidently pull them right from your memory on demand?
Section 1. The Magic 10-Digit Code. Here it is. 4422322321. Let me say that again, pacing it kind of like a highly classified phone number. 4422322321. That 10-digit string is literally the only thing standing between you and complete mastery of the primes under 100. But you're probably wondering, how does this simple string of digits actually pull that off?
Well, it's basically a master blueprint. It bridges the gap exactly how many primes are in every single decade, or group of 10, from 1 to 100. So the very first digit of the code tells you how many primes exist in the first 10 numbers. The second digit tells you how many are in the next 10, and so on. It perfectly and sequentially maps out the entire mathematical landscape for you.
Section 2. Decoding 1 to 50. Let's take that first chunk of our code, 44223, and map it directly onto the first 50 numbers. In the range 1 to 10, our code digit is 4. And yep, exactly 4 primes live there, 2, 3, 5, and 7. In the next range, 11 to 20, the code is again 4. Those primes are 11, 13, 17, and 19. Moving to the 20s, the code drops to 2, giving us just 2 primes, 23 and 29. In the 30s, another 2. The primes are 31 and 37. Finally, for the 40s, the code jumps up to 3, giving us exactly 3 primes, 41, 43, and 47. Do you see how perfectly this sequence maps out the exact primes hiding in those first 50 digits? It totally removes the guesswork.
Section 3. Decoding 51 to 100.
Now for the back half of our sequence, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1. For the 50s, the code is 2, giving us the primes 53 and 59. The 60s, another 2, revealing 61 and 67. Then in the 70s, the code bumps up to 3, so we immediately know to look for 3 primes, 71, 73, and 79. The 80s drop back down to 2, leaving us with 83 and 89. And then we hit the final stretch, the range from 91 to 100. The code digit here is 1. This is honestly such a brilliant final detail. There is only a single prime number in the entire 90s, and that is 97. If you know the digit for that range is 1, you instantly know there's only one number to hunt for. That saves an incredible amount of time.
Section 4. Master the prime trick.
Okay, so understanding the code is great, but ensuring you can actually lock this sequence into your memory forever is where the real power lies. To do this, we're going to use a highly effective cognitive strategy called chunking. Chunking is fantastic because it turns a complex 10-digit string into a really easy mental life hack. Instead of trying to swallow 10 random digits whole, we break them into 3 specific rhythmic steps. Step 1. Memorize the double pairs, 44 and 22. It has a great bouncing rhythm to it, right? Step 2, memorize the mirror, 32 and 23. Notice how they just neatly flip. 3-2 becomes 2-3. It's perfectly symmetrical. Step 3, end with the countdown, 2-1, just 2-1, done. So it's 44-22, 32-23, 21. By organizing the information this way, your brain practically memorizes it for you.
Thanks for joining me for this explainer. Stay curious and keep learning.